Hi everyone, I'm your Dr. Venukumari. I'm the Managing Director of Dr. Venus Institute of Skin and Hair and Dr. Venus Institute of Aesthetics and Anti-Aging. Growing beard has become trend nowadays. Most guys try to grow their beard by using oils or gels which they purchase online or by friends' suggestion. Genetically, hair follicles number is limited for anyone. We cannot grow new hair by using gels or oils. Beard transplantation is the most sought after procedure among men. So, what is beard transplantation? Beard transplantation is hair taken from one part of our body, mostly from the back of the head, and transplanting it to the jawline. So, who can opt for beard transplant? Men genetically who doesn't grow beard beyond 20 years can choose hair transplantation. Men with patchy hair who wish to grow a good thick beard can also opt for hair transplant. Men suffering from alopecia areata, in which hair is lost in patchy pattern, can also try beard transplantation. We can do beard transplantation in persons who has sufficient amount of hair on the back of the head. Beard transplant happens in two steps. The first step is taking the graft from the backside of the head and transplanting it into the jawline. First method is follicular unit extraction technique. In FUE method, we take follicular units one by one using mortar punches. This is more commonly performed procedure because there is no cuts or sutures in this procedure. The second method is follicular unit transplantation method. In FUT method, a small strip of skin is cut and follicles are separated by using microscope. After harvesting the hair follicle grafts, the next step is implantation. Local anesthetic is injected into the treatment area, that is jawline. We'll mark the area into the shape which you want. The follicular grafts are loaded into the implanters. With the use of implanters, we can place the hair follicles into the beard area. Using punches and implanters reduces the skin trauma and speeds the recovery time. Redness, swelling, tightness, numbness, and scabbing formation can occur at both harvested and implanted areas. This will subside in 7 to 10 days. We'll suggest oral antibiotics and painkillers for 5 to 7 days. We'll also suggest you how to take care of the grafted areas and the treated area. Avoid touching, rubbing, or scratching of the implanted and harvested areas. It would take 3 to 6 months to see the growth of all the follicles. You should avoid swimming, hot tub, or strenuous physical exercise for 2 to 3 weeks. Beard transplant needs an experienced surgeon with artistic skills to give you a best aesthetic look. We have successfully performed many cases and we can help you in a better way. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe and tune in for more videos.